In this video, I'll show you how to create an empty eManifest with BorderConnect using a mobile device. Once you're logged in, using the Quick Start menu, click Start New eManifest. We'll begin by entering the trip details, starting with a unique trip number that starts with your company's SCAC code. Next, we'll enter the US port of arrival, and if you see magnifying glass icon, that means BorderConnect will automatically look up the information for you. Ports can be assigned by entering the port code, the name of the US port, or even the opposite Canadian port. Now enter your estimated arrival date and time. If you're crossing tomorrow, just select tomorrow, and then the time below. Here, trucks, trailers, and drivers can be quickly assigned. Trucks and trailers by entering the unit number or the plate number, and drivers by entering the first few characters of the name of the driver. Notice that BorderConnect stores everything for easy reuse and fast lookup. Adding a new driver? Do it on the fly by clicking Add Driver. Just enter the driver information and click Save. It's now assigned to the manifest. We've completed adding the trip information, so now we'll go to the manifest details page and review it before we send it to CBP. So at the bottom, click Save and Start New Shipment. It's important to note that if we did have a shipment to add, you would select Save and Start New Shipment. But since this is empty, just click Save and View Trip Details, where they'll be brought to the manifest details page. And you can click the link at the top of the video now to watch a full tutorial on creating an eManifest with a PAP shipment. Here, you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance as you scroll down the page. If any additional information needs to be added or changed, you can do it here. For example, I'll add a seal to the trailer here. It's important to note that if your driver doesn't have a FastCard ID number in their driver profile, a US destination is required. To enter the address the driver will be going to in the US, just click the Quick Assign Destination Address field above the driver. Enter the address, and if this address hasn't been used before in BorderConnect, click Add Consignee and enter the full destination address details. Then, click Save, and you'll see the validation warning has disappeared. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBP. So, at the top, click Sync with CBP, where your manifest status will be changed to 2 yellow bars, transmitted. After approximately 1 to 2 minutes, CBP should accept your manifest, and the status will then move to 3 blue bars, Complete Manifest on file with CBP. And when the driver arrives at the border, the status will then move to 5 dark green bars, Truck Arrived at Border. And when the officer releases them, will change to 6 green bars, Truck Released at Border. Congratulations! You've successfully created an empty eManifest using BorderConnect with a mobile device. This type of manifest is usually completed within about a minute or two, and if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.